Hello, my name is Thomas Griggs, and today we're going to be making Lab 3 ice cream. Now, to get started, I already completed part 1, measuring the 2 separate cups of ice and the cup of ice and salt. To no surprise, the cup with the salt in it was at a much lower temperature, both in Fahrenheit and Celsius. And now for part 2, I already measured the ice and salt. It is 4.3 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 15.3 degrees Celsius. And the regular ice is 20.5 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 6.5 Celsius. Now, got my half and half here. Make sure I don't spill it. Let's see what it is in Celsius. It is 2 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Got my Domino sugar right here. If I can get it open. Let's see if I can get this tablespoon out. Not exactly coming out. The powder's more stuck together. Mix that in with the half and half. And then we'll add probably about a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Teaspoon. Came out pretty quick. Mix this together. And let's find out what the temperature is for this. 39.6 Fahrenheit, 4.2 Celsius. Pour this in our bag, our smaller bag. Nice and sealed. All right. Now it is time to put 2 inches of ice in the big bag. Got another bag of ice. Let's add some salt. Some nice Morton sea salt. Make sure that ice cream mixture is good and sealed. Right. Ice cream in there. Put the ice in there. Ice and salt. Right. See what the temperature is. About -7 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, no. Must not have had my thermometer in the right spot. -2.1 degrees Fahrenheit, -16.7 Celsius. Now, I'm going to roll back around, try and freeze that ice cream mixture. Get my gloves. While I'm doing this, the purpose of adding the salt is to bring the ice to a lower temperature, because of when you add something that doesn't make it pure anymore, it obviously lowers the temperature at which it will freeze, so it's got to meet that temperature. The ice began to melt a little bit because the salt increases or lowers the temperature at which it was able to freeze at. Freezing point depression is just when the freezing point of a liquid changes because you added something to it, like when you add ice, or when you add salt and ice. And as for boiling point elevation, that affects cooking because obviously it takes a lot longer to boil water whenever you add something to it. So typically if it takes 5 minutes for water to start boiling, whenever it's just water, you add in something like salt or oil, it'll probably take a little bit longer, or maybe even shorter. Probably right. What I can see, it already looks like the ice cream is starting to come together. It went from looking like really liquidy to now it's looking fairly how ice cream would look, the more solid. stop and take, oh my gosh. As you can see, ice started to form on my gloves. That's how cold the bag is. Let's find out just how cold. It is staying at a solid negative 11.4 degrees Celsius. Appears to be staying at 8 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, and just by touching it, it does feel like more of a ice creamy solution. I'll probably roll it around a little more and then I'll give it a taste.